In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim and merge videos in Adobe Express. We'll keep this simple and straightforward so you can get a clean cut of your footage in just a few minutes, right from your browser or the Adobe Express app. Trimming is perfect for removing dead space at the beginning and end of a clip, tightening up pacing, or isolating a moment you want to highlight. Start by opening Adobe Express on your computer or mobile device. Once you're on the home page, look for Video Quick Actions and select Trim Video. This tool is designed for speed and simplicity, which makes it great for quick edits without opening a full timeline. Next, upload the video you want to edit from your device. Adobe Express supports files up to roughly 1 GB, so most standard clips will work smoothly. If your video is on the larger side, give the upload a moment to process. A stable internet connection will help here, especially in a browser. When your video loads, you'll see trim handles on a timeline beneath the preview. Drag the handle on the left to set where your video should begin, and drag the handle on the right to choose where it should end. As you adjust, keep an eye on the preview to make sure you're capturing exactly the section you want. A helpful tip is to leave a tiny bit of extra room, an extra half-second at the start or end, so your edit feels natural and not abruptly cut off. You can always refine and trim again if needed. If you know the exact in and out points you want, you can also enter the start and end times manually. This is handy when you're working from notes or matching a specific timestamp. Precision here will save you time later. Before exporting, play back your selection to confirm the pacing and audio feel right. If something seems off, nudge the handles slightly and preview again. Small tweaks often make a big difference. When you're happy with the result, you have two options: download the trimmed video immediately or continue editing in the editor. Downloading gives you a clean, ready-to-share clip. Continuing in the editor opens more creative possibilities, like adding text, music, or combining your trimmed clip with others, so you can build out a longer piece without switching tools. That's it. With Adobe Express, trimming is quick, precise, and accessible anywhere. Save your original file as a backup, export your trimmed version, and you're ready to share or keep refining in the editor.